Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're having another big piece where we're doing alcohol inks. I did ta-da, ta-da. This one, sorry, why is it not? Oh yeah, here we go. Did this yesterday. Isn't that pretty? I love it. So I decided to make another one in green. So we have our Pinata, Tricarda Pinata Rainforest Green. I've got the silver, Pinata silver. I got the Pinata Gold and the Bianco white. Got some extender so it stays longer wet. You can work with it a little longer. Oh, and I'm going to try to use the pearl as well. I had to declog it. It came clogged up. I was a little annoyed by a brand new bottle being clogged up already, but you know, maybe it was cold wherever it was stored. Anywho. Oh, and don't forget the alcohol we have, 99%. Various brushes I may or may not use. Something to blob. I do have a straw, but the straw is bent and doesn't work very well because there's no a lot of force coming out. But we'll try. Okay, let's start it. Okay, I hope you guys are in focus because it's really hard for me to see, but here we go. So let's put some extender down first, and you can see I taped up the edges so it won't slide around, and it gives a little border. Obviously it's not perfect, but makes it look a little nicer anyway. I think we're gonna do like some kind of a thing that goes across this time. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys that I got some pipettes, whatever they're called, pipettes, these things, to suck up my alcohol ink easier, and the alcohol itself. Okay. And as always, make sure you got the window open. And if you need to, use a mask. Okay. I'm so excited. Let's use the green. Are you guys excited? I'm scared, man. Let's see if I can get the straw going. I'm not sure it's going to work. Oh yeah. Sort of. Close up. It looks really blue on here, but it's really not. It's actually green. It's actually, that would be a pretty color too, but it's not. I need to find a way to make it green again. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And oh, don't forget, if you want to watch how I made, speaking of green, this beauty. It's hard to see. And there. Then watch the video. I'm gonna link, because they're lots of fun to make. Okay, see you in the next one.